Hi guys, it's me, and if you're here to watch an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing video. Yes, I am wearing the robe still for my FabFitFun unboxing. I just couldn't take it off. It was too cute, and I was like, well, I need to film my Ipsy video next, so you get to enjoy it. Plus, I feel like it's just like complimentary. Also, I'm totally gonna be living in this robe once it actually warms up. But anyways, moving on. If you're unaware, Ipsy is a monthly makeup subscription box. They choose 2 items, you choose 3 items based off of a makeup quiz is the wrong word, assessment, what you like and what you don't like, and also some on top of some other things such as your hair color, skin color, eye color, etc. So we'll go ahead and start unboxing this bad boy. I was looking for a card, and here it is. Okay, it just took me a minute. Oh, 1 minute. Spam. Anyways, this month's theme is Power Moves. Who runs the world? You do. This month, swipe on your boldest lip and conquer every goal like a boss, whether it's sticking to a self-care routine or kickstarting the next big thing. So it's just, this whole thing is about dynamic skincare duos. It says ingredients that just work better together, antioxidants and SPF, retinol and peptides, vitamin C and ferulic acid, salicylic acid and hyaluronic acid. Okay, actually, I think the salicylic acid and hyaluronic acid combo is why my skin was so good last month. We'll talk about it a little bit when I talk about the products that I got my last month Ipsy, but I think they're onto something. And then the last combo is ceramides and squalene. Squalene, surprise me, I don't know. Anyways, this is what this month's bag looks like. It's cute, I'm not in love with it. Honestly, I'm kind of just over bags in general, but we'll go ahead and move on to the first product. So this product really intrigued me. It is a 4-in-1 makeup brush called the Multitasker. So we'll go ahead and see what this is about. So it says, okay, JK, I don't know what it says because I'm trying to open it up. Let's see what the box says. It says it has a powder / contour brush, a blending sponge, a medium shadow brush, and an angled brow liner brush. And I really liked the idea of this for when I go on trips. I have a lot of trips planned for this next year. I have several weddings I'm going to be in. So the idea that maybe I might just be able to pack one brush and do it all would be super cool. This brush, or this box, is being a pain, and then you know what? Roxy's also here, and she thinks this might be the sound of a fun thing for her. Do you want the box? Because you can have the box. Okay, so you want the box? Go get the box. Maybe she wants the box, but anyways, here is the brush. So here is the sponge, which is, I like it, but I'm also a little concerned about it. It's not as big as I would like a sponge to be. I'm also concerned about what you're supposed to do with it once it wears out. Like, I feel like this half of the brush just then becomes defunct. Then there's a little, I like that little eyeshadow brush right there. That is cute, and I feel like it's just the right size for me. The contour brush for if you're trying to get a good contour right there. And then there's a teeny tiny little angly liner brush. So like this product, we'll have to play around with this though, and I'll have to let you know how I feel about this after we're done with it. Moving on, the next product is a lippy. Oh, I lied. It's mascara. So I am really in need of some mascara. So I was like, you know what? Let's see what this is. And then I realized it's probably not waterproof. And I really, going into the summer months, I really rely on a good waterproof mascara. Not because of the water, but because of the sweat and the heat and the humidity. But this will have at least, I don't know, maybe a week or 2 before we really start hitting those high temps. So this is from Cella Beauty. It is Good Drama Mascara in the shade Black. I'll go ahead and look at that tube. Cute little tube. I want to see what that brush looks like though. Okay, it's just your basic kind of rubber silicone brush deal, if you will. Pretty basic, but nothing wrong with being basic sometimes. It looks like it could have the potential to be really buildable, which I enjoy. Next product is in bubble wrap. Go ahead and open this bad boy up. Oh look, it's hyaluronic acid, what I was talking about earlier. So this last month I've been using, normally I go over this at the end of the video, but we'll talk about it now. Last month I've been using this, and honestly, I got last month's Ipsy so late and this month's Ipsy so early that I've only used this for 10 days, but I've had a couple breakouts since I started using this. Instead of the hyaluronic acid serum I was using. And look at this, I'm getting a hyaluronic acid serum again, so it'll be interesting to see if I continue to have breakouts or if really this in combination with the salicylic acid I've been using will clear my skin back up. But this is by Clarity RX. It says it's a daily dose of water, or maybe that's just the product, what they're calling the product, but it's a hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. And it's pretty typical of all your serums. You just use a couple drops every day on your skin and it clears it up. Moving on, we have the Soul Clean Probiotics Balancing Cleanser, and that's what this bad boy looks like. Honestly, I looked at this and I was like, I am running low on cleansers, so let's get a cleanser. And that is probably why I chose this product. I do want to see if it has a scent real quick, just because I'm always curious. But I heard probiotic cleansers can be good for your skin. Okay, honestly, I put on some lip oil when I was filming my FabFitFun video, and all I smell is vanilla. So this does have a scent. It's not strong enough to overpower that vanilla scent. And then lastly, what do we have? We have the Gerard Cosmetics Hydra Matte Longwear Liquid Lipstick in the shade 1995, which, that's interesting. I don't remember if I chose this product or not, but we'll go ahead and see what this looks like. The tube is cute. I do like that shade. It's very similar to the shade I'm wearing right now, except it's a liquid lippy. We'll go ahead and give that a good swatch. And again, I do like that shade. So anyways, very cute. That would look very cute with today's look. We'll go ahead and start talking about last month's products in a little bit more detail now that we're all done with this month's products. That's what this part of the video is for. So like I mentioned earlier, I got last month's Ipsy so late and this month's Ipsy so early. I have literally, with some of these products, only used them once in today's makeup look. But this first one product is an eye contour. It's basically an eye cream. It's a good eye cream. I like it. I've only used it for probably like 10 days. This next product was a tinted chapstick, which I am currently wearing, also in combination with a lip oil now, but it was cute even before the lip oil. It's a little too tinted, I feel like. Maybe I just don't actually like tinted chapsticks the way that I think I do. But I do like this. This is a very good like neutral lip look if you're just like quick on the go. I want to look a little bit like I put in effort towards my makeup look today. I did very much end up liking this. This Prose Corsica hair perfume, I am obsessed with. I love it so much. I know it's literally just a hair perfume. It's something you spray in your hair and it smells good, but it smells like I just came from the salon and my mood's just instantly lifted. You know how scents can have that effect on you sometimes. So yeah, love that product. This Persephone makeup palette. Again, I've only had the chance to use this once, and you can tell by today's eye look. Mostly I played around with this shade because it was really fun looking. And I needed to know what that looks like put on. I did do a little bit of shadowing and whatnot, but otherwise I love this makeup palette. I am going to probably have to end up using this a lot more with my looks over the next month or so, just because I don't feel like I really had a chance to try it out yet. And again, I've already talked about this. Again, it is the Emerald Herbivore Hemp Seed and Adaptogen Deep Moisture Glow Oil. So it might be making me break out. It's kind of hard to tell. Again, I've only used this for maybe like 10 days, and I'm going to go switch to the hyaluronic acid here soon. So I'll let you know next month. Give you an update, see what happens. But anyways, if you've made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. And thank you again so much for watching. Stay safe, stay warm, stay happy out there. Bye, guys. bye.